Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for home design. First, open Canva and search for interior design or room planner templates. Select a template that best fits your project, whether it's a single room or an entire house. You can then customize dimensions to match your actual space. This initial setup is crucial for accurate planning and visualization. Once your template is ready, start adding furniture and decor. Canva's extensive element library includes various items like sofas, tables, and plants. Resize these elements to match their actual dimensions, ensuring your design is accurate. You can easily move items around to test different layouts, helping you find the perfect arrangement for your space. Now let's personalize your design. Change wall colors, floor textures, and fabric patterns using Canva's color picker and texture options. You can even upload photos of specific furniture pieces or materials you plan to use. Add decorative elements like rugs, artwork, and lighting fixtures to bring your vision to life. This step truly makes the design your own. After perfecting your home design, it's time to save and share it. Download your design as a high-resolution image or PDF to easily share with family, friends, or even contractors for their input. Getting feedback can help refine your ideas further. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. This way, your home and car can both feel amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.